Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to download Candy Crush Saga on your Android phone. Downloading Candy Crush Saga on your Android requires you to open your Google Play Store and then go ahead and get to the search icon at the bottom right and then type in Candy Crush Saga in the search box. Once you find the Candy Crush Saga application in the search result, tap on the install button. Now wait until the application is downloaded and installed. It'll take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. After the download is completed, tap on the play button to start playing Candy Crush Saga on your Android device. So that is how you easily download and install Candy Crush Saga on Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.